Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this crochet peppermint. Okay, so you can hang it on your tree as an ornament. So you can make this one, or this is a double one. All you're going to need is some yarn. I'm using cotton yarn in red and white, a 4mm hook, a pair of scissors and a yarn needle. Okay, to start, take your white yarn, make a slip knot, and then chain 4. Okay, so we're going to make 2 treble crochets in the first chain that we made, and we're not going to finish the second treble crochet. We're going to attach the red at the end. So yarn over twice, go into that first chain, yarn over and pull through. Okay, so you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2. Okay, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the next 2, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay, so make the second one. So this chain 4 doesn't count as a treble crochet. Okay, so yarn over twice, and at the end of this one we're going to switch to the red yarn. So go into the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and then stop, and for the last 2 just attach the red. So just lie it over the hook and then pull it through the last 2. Okay, so we're going to make 2 trebles in red, and we're going to hide these 2 tails as we work. So yarn over twice. So I'm just going over the top of these 2. And again. And we stop at the end of this one. And go back in with the white. Okay, so now I'm going to go over both of the red threads. Okay. Pick up the red. Okay, so I made 4 sets of each color. Okay, so once you've done your 4 sets of colour, you can pull the tail tight, this white one, and that will close in the centre. Cut the white one, and then I'm just going to slip stitch to the top of that first treble crochet. Okay, so you can either leave it like this, you could make a loop so you can hang it on your tree, or you can put two together so it's a bit thicker. Okay, so I just paused the video so I could weave the ends in. So if you want to put two together so it's a bit 3D and a bit thicker, you put the two wrong sides together. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. Okay, so line them up so the colors match. Chain one and go through the first white one on that one and the first white stitch on the other side, and just single crochet. Okay, and I'm just doing my stitches loose. I don't want them too tight. Okay. Once you're finished, cut a long enough tail to make a loop. Pull the yarn through. Okay, make sure your loop is big enough if you're hanging it on a Christmas tree. And then I just make a knot around the loop. Okay. So you can either just make one or you can put two together. Okay. There's a mini one I made as well. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.